I don't want to crash you again.
Can we
You should
never?
probably get into your
Oh,
flex
as soon as I go inside, he's gonna go. Okay.
This very tight racing.
What else is tight?
My car.
A tightrope.
Got him.
No, my car. It's very tight, but it's also loose, and I don't know how to.
It's tight and loose at the same time.
It is.
Yeah.
It's very strange. It's like the front and back.
No
of the
caution.
That is
Sorry.
unbelievable.
Oh boy.
Oh,
That's
That's
Incredible.
Separate Rex.
I'm letting
Yeah,
go.
that's correct. Separate racks.
Our color
Calls
inside.
Unbelievable.
I am below Weehawk. Below Weehawk.
I am below-
Fuck's sake, Weehawk.
I'm
Sorry.
below-
Come down. Once I say
I
I'm below
can't
you.
keep a line.
Jack,
I'm
give that
below.
position.
I'm below. We.
Okay.
You know what, let me just
Oh.
get off.
Holy crap! Who's below me?
Both me and Jack are trying to get around
That
you.
is very
I
hard to
think
do.
guys.
Oh god!
Oh my crap.
Are you kidding?
Sorry.
Going backwards.
Oh! Third.
Friends.
Alright, because Weehawk just keeps dive bombing
Can I-
on the track like
Can
ass.
I have my position back?
Oh, sorry
'Cause
about that.
I
Not
had to
necessarily
go
a bad thing.
all the way into the grass.
I'll be
Because
below
we
you.
Yeah, I
was
swear to
just
God.
on the inside.
Hmm.
I think me and Color should have our positions back. That's fair.
Nah.
4.
Back
I don't know what position I'm at.
My
Yeah.
car's
I was
spun
in
out.
third.
Cutlery.
I was in third.
I was in second, but
Can you let me get outside at? Oh my
I
god.
will never get front row again.
Cutler,
Breaking
Cutler.
news! NOJ officially quits Cody Racing.
Cutler, do you want me to?
Why?
That's
If you want to give it up, I don't care.
Then
Quite
please
like
do.
it down here, but alright.
Wait, what did he announce that at? I actually
He's
wanted-
mad because he can't join the game.
No, Ash, go back.
Who's
No-
up for how
like-
Okay, here's what. Alright, here's what he
Alright, hang
said.
on.
Clap
Let
very
me-
slowly when your owner Aaron tells you
Yeah,
about a
Cruz.
race. Leaving Cody Racing for that one too.
That's my fault that I don't tell him about the races. It's my fault.
We
I don't
hop.
tell anyone about the races either.
Is that enough?
Alright, I'm looking for yellow.
Jack,
Who will win?
what? Move
Cutler
up,
or
please.
XDO? I can't tell because.
More.
Oh,
Cutler,
chill.
what the
Oh,
heck?
what the fuck?
Cutler.
It lags! It lags
Oh
on
my
me. I was
god!
Yeah.
Why can't we just redo that? Fuck's sakes.
No,
It
you got
had the
back
lag
going,
on the
though. You
fucking
got back
restart? Are you kidding?
You got back going.
RUCS.
That's it.
That's fucking bullshit.
You got
Bullshit to
back
everyone behind me. That's bullshit to everyone who is behind me.
No.
I don't care. That's bullshit to them. Fucking restart it.
That helped me. So
That's call.
I don't
Okay.
get
That
it.
didn't help me at
You've been an
all.
ass all day.
Heck, I mean, legit, we've done that before. We have done a redo if someone stalled. I mean,
Yeah, I
I'm just
fucking
saying.
lagged. Just restart it. It's unfair to him.
Okay, stop arguing about it.
It's fucking unfair to him.
It's too late.
White
Oh
flag.
boy, I got loose.
Recording Zach.
This is bullshit. It's bullshit not only to me, but to Cody. I never thought I'd defend Cody, but here I am. Anything's
Thanks for the
possible.
tip,
Like you
Captain
restarting
Obvious.
the fucking green-white checkered.
It's 3 to go.
And GG.
Fucking kidding.
Yep.
What is the
Good
32?
race.
The
Really?
32 just passed.
I lose because of fucking lag.
Okay, I'm
Fucking wonderful.
Oh.
Fuck your.
oh, I made 2 positions up at the last minute. Yeah.
I'm just gonna
Come
say
on.
this now.
Come on.
The 32 just went below the take out ass.
No,
I'm not.
IMP 4 P4.
What's that car flying? There's a car.
IMP. I'm P4.
Dude, Ash just went flying.
I'm
Holy
P5.
He
This
didn't
race
take me out, but he
was-
took out ass.
This
Should we
race
just do like a
was
one-lap
an amazing race.
Then one lap.
Oh!
Ash
One-lap
is just,
shootout.
dude, Ash is the Beyblade right now.
Up to Zach. Was the line rule implemented like were they allowed to go on the apron?
Ooh.
You were
Zach,
But
the 32.
the thing is, Nash went all
legitimately
down.
right now.
straight up and took
Zach,
our
the
ass.
37, the 32 has been up and down the track literally all day. He's wrecked me 3 times, and then he's wrecked a bunch of other drivers through the race. I understand that, but
That's no.
Okay, AJ is abusing.
I got P4, guys. That's all that
You can't just
matters.
ban someone for calling you an idiot.
Oh yeah, that's not.
Could we start?
Who suspends someone for calling someone an idiot?
Yeah, let's give this
AJ,
one
because
real
you can't
quick,
take
please.
someone hurting his feelings. She's a fucking snowflake.